Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 5G mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and remove the back cover. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cursor on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and take out the camera lens frame by undoing screws. Undo 4 screws and lift the camera lens cover using a pry tool. Next, take out the SIM tray and disconnect the fingerprint plug. Next, take out the mid-frame by undoing 13 screws from the top and bottom sections. And then, using a plastic car pry tool, create an opening to separate the back cover frame. Be gentle and work around on the edges to disengage the plastic clips. Take out the mid-frame and then disconnect the battery plug. Next, take out the not talking battery by loosening and extracting adhesives. First, loosen both adhesive tabs on top and then gently using your fingers or tweezer pull out the adhesive strips. Next, take out the not talking battery and place a new battery on the body with adhesive. Ensure the connection and then place the mid-frame by adding 13 screws and the SIM tray. And also connect the fingerprint plug. Next, place the camera lens frame by adding 4 screws. Before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue on your double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide, and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.